We're back now with Angie Horkin for the Wisconsin Beef Council, helping us with all of our grilling recipes this month. We love June.
We're talking all steaks this month because last month was burgers. It was National Burger Month. We kicked off grilling season, but now it's all about the steaks.
And we have so many nice days. You want to be outside. It's perfect grilling weather.
Now, the steak I have today might be a little different steak to people that you haven't tried before. It's called the chuck eye steak.
Okay.
It's kind of at the end of the chuck, between the chuck and the rib section, so it's not really classified like a ribeye because it's in the chuck, but it looks a lot like a ribeye, and it's fairly tender like a ribeye. They used to call it the butcher steak because there's not many in a carcass, but it's kind of a nice find, and you can always call up and ask for some. It's a little more economical too than a ribeye, so if you're looking for a more economical steak.
Well, there we go.
But we're gonna start. This is called our Floribbean fiesta steak.
Say that 8 times fast.
Easy for me to say. I don't know who named it, but yeah, it's kind of got some fiesta flavors. But we're gonna make like a corn black bean kind of salad to go on the side of our steak.
I'm intrigued.
1 can of black beans, 1.5 cups of corn. Now I just used some frozen corn, but we're getting closer to sweet corn season every day. And then a cup of your favorite salsa. I'm gonna put this on the grill. I got a grill safe pan. We're just gonna kind of heat it up, get it warm, get it bubbly, kind of let those flavors melt. Now, the chuck eyes I already had on, I've been grilling them. Mine are cut pretty thick. Yeah, they are. It's almost like the center cut of the ribeye. Doesn't it look like that? And I've had them on quite a while because these are thick. Use your thermometer. Invest in a little nice Instant meat thermometer.
Those are so handy.
They are. So a nice 135 degrees, pull it off for a medium rare, let them rest. Let these rest too, just like your premium expensive steaks. 10 minutes, the internal temp will increase to 145. If you like it a little more well done, maybe go to 150.
Okay.
Okay. So we also have this kind of homemade guac to go on the side too, and I'm going to put it right on the steaks.
Yum.
It's 1 avocado, and it's got a little ranch dressing in it.
Oh,
and
that looks so good.
some fresh cilantro and a little salt and pepper. So the ranch dressing kind of makes it's pretty good. I've never put ranch in.
I feel like that's very Wisconsin recipe too.
It kind of is, yeah. So let's check our salad because it should be, my grill's pretty hot. Yeah, at home, put it on when you put your steaks on. Get it kind of nice and warm, bubbly, and then put it on right next to your steaks. So you kind of got the full meal here. You got the Floribbean Fiesta steaks using a chuck eye. We could definitely substitute in a different recipe. And I did marinate the chuck eye. I bought some Mojo marinade.
All right.
Marinade, so really nice, light, fresh, orange juicy base. Really good flavors. So.
Beeftips.com?
Beeftips.com. Visit the website, click on the As Seen on TV page. You'll find this recipe plus a lot more recipes and grilling tips.
I can see where the fiesta comes from with all the colors.
Doesn't this look like
yes, it does.
It's beautiful.
Can't wait to dig in. Angie Horkin, as always, thank you.
You're welcome.